Ready to elevate your gift wrapping to a whole new level? This Gift Tags Chalk Box will help you create packages worthy of your holiday celebrations. Your Gift Tags Chalk Box comes with everything you see here. A 6-pack of tag minis, black and white chalk markers, the B-Size Christmas Story Collection Gift Tags Transfer, and 3 Chalkology Paste singles in Candy Apple, Black Velvet, and Meadow Green. I've gathered them here along with some dishes to use as a palette for each paste color, a work mat, the markers, a permanent marker, my transfer trimmers, several squeegees, the transfer, and the fuzzing cloth. And I always like to have a water bath nearby for quick cleanup. I'll start by cutting the transfer along the cut lines, and then use my permanent marker to mark the backer papers to correspond with the design. With a cut-apart transfer like this, it just makes it so much easier to match the pieces up when I'm done. Now, there's a million ways to combine these to make your tags truly custom. So I'm just going to lay them out so I've kind of got a game plan. I'll start with this loopy line and I'll fuzz it first just to ease the adhesive, which is especially important because these tags are a one-time use surface and I really want to make sure it doesn't stick too much. I'll do that with each piece I use. This to and from is super cute, and I think I'll start with black velvet. First, I'll prep my paste by kneading the packet a bit, then snip the corner and squeeze some out onto the dish. I'll use one of my small squeegees from my collection here and load it up with this black paste. I'll smooth it over the screened area, then scrape off the excess. Then I want to flip it over and use it again quickly and drop it in the water bath. Now I'll do the to and from the same way, just being careful to keep the paste on the transfer, and then scrape off the extra and peel it off. Next up, I love this chevron ribbon piece, so I'll prep it first by fuzzing it and then positioning it on that same tag. I'm still working with black here, and it's just so quick to chalk it and then wash it. I'll get a couple more pieces placed, and this ribbon one is so cute, I'm going to pull it from my water bath and get it cleaned off so I can reuse it with a different color. Once dry, I'll adhere it to the tag and prep the red paste by kneading it and squeezing a bit out into the dish. On this first one, I'm only chalking the December 25th part in red, then I'll peel it up so I have time to come back and use another color without risking the red drying too quickly. Then I'll move to no peeking, then the ribbon piece, and I'm going to pull it up and reuse it again quickly like I did with the loopy one. You can see how quickly and cute these are coming together. I've got the stripes now, then this larger scalloped piece, and each time I have fuzzed these before placing them. And now I'm moving on to the meadow green paste. Get some squeezed out and using a clean, small squeegee, load it up. First, I'll finish the Do Not Open text and get that peeled up. Then the stripe, which I love so much I'm going to double it again. Then the large scallop block. And there we are, ready to address and impress. Use the included chalk markers to dedicate them to your favorite people this season.